Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? This your girl African Doll. I'm back again with another video, and today's video is gonna be a quick review on this beautiful flawless bomb hair I have on. But before we get started into this video, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Also hit my bell for when I do post another video, and comment in my comment section if you have any suggestion you want me to do. And also follow me on all my social medias. I'm gonna leave it down below, and you know, check your girl out.
Get right or get left, I don't need a crew. My flow be sick, I ain't got a flu. Clapping and bitch, you can see the moves. Goofy ass bitches ain't got a clue. I'm bubbling like a can of brew. I fuck with me and a fan of you. I'm number one, I can never lose. I want it, I cop it, ain't gotta choose. I got the game by the neck. Fuck a fame, run the check. Hoes mad cause I'm next. Hello dripping, keep sweat. I'm breaking necks when I pull up. Ho got a problem, then pull up. Money strong, no push up. Fuck up a bag, then I re-up. I'm killing bitches and niggas too. Ho move aside when I'm coming through. I'm about the life I can forward you. Bitch, I'm the shit that ain't nothing new. Bitch, I'm the queen, forward me.
But anyway, I'm gonna tell y'all what I like about the hair and what I don't like about it. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So let's get started into this video. So first thing first, this hair right here is I got it in a 22, a 24, a 26, and a 20-inch frontal. Okay, this is a Brazilian straight hair, 3 bundles of course with frontal. It's a closure bow with frontal, 13 by 4 ear to ear. This is 100% unprocessed virgin human hair extension weave. This color is a black. Yeah, a black. I'll say this probably like a 1B or just a B, whatever it is. I got this for damn, this shit was $169.99. I didn't even know it was that much. Like, to be honest, I really thought it was like, what, $59? But whatever. So yeah, it's $159.99, and those are the bundles I got it in. So what I like about this hair, now that I said what it is and everything, what I love about this hair is the fact that, one, I don't need heat to, you know, to keep it straightened or whatever. I could wash this hair and like have it air dry and everything, and it's gonna look like I bone straightened or whatever. It's gonna look straight. So that's what I really love about it, the fact that I don't have to, you know, run a comb through it and everything like that. I don't have to put any heat on it, or, you know, and I feel like it's great quality. Like, if it don't need heat or whatever, like, I feel like the hair is gonna last even longer because I'm not using any heat on it, you feel me? So that's what I really love about it. But what I don't love about this hair is the fact that, one, I gotta comb it like constantly, like, you feel me, like constantly. Like, I gotta carry a comb with me everywhere I go, to church, to work, to a supermarket, to anywhere, like just a corner store. I just gotta take comb with me everywhere, like right now. You feel me? No, right now it's looking bomb, don't get me wrong, it's looking bomb right now. But okay, this side right here looks bomb. You see what I'm talking about? This is bomb, and this is not even straightened. I just washed it and then let it air dry like overnight. So this how it looks without being flat iron, and this how it looks when I don't comb it. Y'all see that? That's not what I'm looking for. I don't need that. Like, I can't keep taking combs with me everywhere. Like, what if I forget? What if, you know, then I gotta take a hair tie or whatever to tie it up? No, I don't want that. I want my hair to be bone straight, how I got it, like laid down my back. Like, come on now, don't do me, sis. Like, don't do me. But this hair is bomb. Like, I feel like that's the only thing wrong with it. I don't think anything else is wrong with it. That's like the only thing. And also, it kind of sheds, especially when I'm washing it. Like, depending on the type of comb I use, it sheds, like, especially from the lace. And I hate that, because I don't want my lace getting bald and stuff, and it looks like I'm the one getting bald, because it looks so natural, you feel me? I can't be looking like I'm bald or whatever. So it does that, and I really hate it, because like I said, who want their wigs to look bald? Like, it's like I'm not taking care of my shit if it's bald in certain areas, which that's not the case, because I take care of my hair. Every hair I get is looking bomb, like, no matter what. So yeah, like, I really love this hair. If this hair didn't have those issues, I feel like it would have been great, because like, I don't see nothing wrong with it at all, like besides from what I said. But it's a bomb hair. It feels super natural. Like when I bought it, I don't think it came with a smell. I think it did, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would have been. But you know, it wasn't that bad. And after I installed it and everything, I feel like it was great because I've had this hair for months now and it's been doing great. Like the baby hair and everything, like ain't nothing coming out. The lace, the knots are not big. The knots are like very tiny, so that's what I love about it. It looks very natural, you feel me? So I don't have to worry about like plucking it overly too much, you feel me? So yeah, like this hair is bomb. Like this is inches, you feel me? Exactly what I'm saying. You see that? I don't like that, cause I want my hair to move. Like I can't be in public and my hair be looking stiff. I can't. Like they just gotta work on it a little better, you feel me? But don't get me wrong, combs do run through it. Like it's not something that, oh, and also I love this cause for example, I sleep in this hair because sometimes I be feeling lazy, like I don't want to take it off, especially because I lay it down with ghost bond and everything. I don't want to keep taking it off and putting it back on. So most of the time I just like sleep with it on, like just wrap my hair or whatever in like a silk bonnet or whatever. So every when I take it off, like it be a little tangle in the back, like, and I be thinking like, this shit's about to be hard, it's about to give me a headache, it's about to, you know, like not cooperate. But I be dead wrong. Like dead ass, like I could run comb through this with no problem, with no issues or whatever. And that's what I really love, like the fact that I slept with it and it looks like it's gonna be a struggle. It looked like rats or roaches on ran through that. Like, I don't want that, you feel me? So I'm like, okay, you know what, that's good, that I don't have to struggle to get this hair how I want it to be. Like this hair is flawless. Like I said, besides those two, it's great. It's great quality. Like they really did a great job, especially for the price it is. Cause if this shit was gonna be like super bad or whatever, one, I'm gonna give you a rating. I'm gonna review your hair on the quality and everything. I'm gonna say it's bad, and you better refund me my money. Like we're not about to play that, sis. We're not about to do that. You about to refund me my money. Like if you don't, I'm gonna post it on my social media. I'm gonna do all that extra shit. Like don't play me, you feel me? Cause I order from this website a lot, you feel me? I order from there a lot. So if something is wrong, y'all should be able to you know, work things out with me, you feel me? Cause I'm spending money and I'm here thinking y'all gonna give me the best quality hair or whatever, but y'all don't. Like yes, y'all, like look at that. Like I could run comb through it. And also 5'1", I thought the 26-inch was short or whatever. I was like, this look a little too short. When I got it, I was like, this should look a little too short. I need me something longer, like a 30-inch or something. But when I installed this hair, I was like, wait, what? Shut me the hell up. Like shut me the hell up. But let me show y'all how long it is on me, okay? Let me show y'all. So it's 26 inches and it's about right here past my hip, you feel me? Like pretty much my hip area, you know, it's right here. That's where it is on me, and I feel like it's pretty long for something that's 26 inches, because I'm thinking this was gonna be short, but it actually wasn't. But yeah, like I'm really feeling it. I love it. The feel of it, everything is bomb and everything. And okay, y'all, hold up. Like, what do y'all think about my makeup? I know y'all, I'm probably blessing y'all right now. Like, damn, like, don't I look good? Like this, tell me what y'all think about this makeup, because I know, like, I know, trust me, because I feel the same. I'm feeling the same way y'all gonna be feeling, you feel me? Like I look nice. Like makeup is on fleek and everything, you feel me? And yeah, and also, what do y'all think about my outfit? I know it's a little basic or whatever, but it's just a silky robe, you know, that's it. But I actually wanted to do something different because I normally won't wear this or whatever. while recording. So I was like, you know what, let me just try this and try a little something different and see. But y'all tell me how I look, because I know I look good. Like, let me take a look. Brazilian straight hair. Y'all could just type that in. The reason why it's not as straight as I want it to be is because I got a lot of flat irons and stuff, but it's not the best quality. So I'm trying to, you know, get me something better that I could, you know, bone straight this hair with. But if y'all got some bomb ass flat irons and everything, go for this hair, because this hair is bomb. I recommend it to y'all. Like, go for it. There's nothing really bad about this hair. So, you know, yeah, like, this pretty much it. I really like it. And yeah, and like I said, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment in my comment section if you have any suggestions, and I'm out.